Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a pair of headphones. As you can see in the title of the video, the Taotronics 85 ANC wireless pair of headphones. Now you can get these on their website or on Amazon for about $55. I'll throw a link in the description. Yeah, these are a budget option. They also have like a slightly more premium version, which is twice the cost, and I probably will check that out soon. But I am an affiliate of Taotronics now, so very excited to do that. I will do honest reviews of their products still. Let's get into it. So first you're greeted with the carrying pouch. It's everything that's in the box. Nice, like a suede type bag, which you can use for travel. It feels really nice as well. Taotronics branded as well. Very cool. All right. This is the inside of it to help it not get scratched up. A user manual with very clear instructions. A Taotronics, I'm guessing customer service. Yep. So you have 18 months of warranty, 60-day free return policy, VIP exclusive discounts. You have customer support. You can contact them. And then you have a little thank you. So it does come with the gold-plated audio cable to connect to your phone or anything that doesn't have Bluetooth available. Premium Type-C cable. It is not braided. I say it's premium because it is completely flat, which means it's just stable charge, which is, if you're a tech person, you'll understand. USB-A. They are labeled, they're really like swivel really crazily, which is cool. You got a lot of flexibility with them. But you have left and right branding inside the cuffs. I really like the material used on it. It's like a, I don't know if it's a memory foam, but it just so soft and just rises back up. You have control buttons on the right side of the ear cuff. We have a volume up, volume down, power on button, an LED indicator. You have the Type-C charging port, which I'm really glad it's Type-C, because if it was micro USB, it would be horrible. Hidden away, you have these little ANC microphones technically. Branding on the side. These are very stylish pair of headphones, I do have to say. They will not look ugly on your head. They look super good and flush. Design of it, the ergonomic shape, like as you can see, it just goes like this and it swivels, and I just really like it. Non-biased review here. On the left ear cuff, you have a ANC on button, and it'll have a separate indicator which will turn blue. Bottom of the left ear cuff, you have the auxiliary port. Top padding is actually a decent amount. Very lightweight headphones. Charging at 5 volt, 1 amp. And it says this should last about 30 to 40 hours. It will vary depending on if you use ANC or not, and then the volume adjustment. But yeah, pair it to device. Alright, to pair these headphones, all you have to do is go into Bluetooth on your device, turn on the headphones using the power button, press and hold until it says power on and pairing. Then you're going to go to other devices. We're going to go ahead and listen to a few songs right now. I'm going to give you my overall thoughts and opinions of the sound, the ANC, and then eventually I will give a follow-up review in about a month after this video, and I'll tell you about battery life and overall performance and how it stands. Alright, putting on the headphones now. I'm going to do a live test. We're going to turn off ANC first, and then we're going to turn it on, and I'll tell you when I turn it on. So let's go ahead and put it on. Really good comfort, first of all. Doesn't hurt my side. I'm going to go ahead and try gaming glasses. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, so this is such a soft type of material for the ear cuffs that you can wear glasses, which is really cool. So for people that wear glasses, these will not be an issue and won't hurt the sides of your head, which is really cool. All right, let's get into the sound test. We're going to go and play it right now at half volume. Okay. All right, turning on ANC now. Whoa. Alright, so first of all, I can't even hear my voice pretty much at all. That's actually pretty good. That's at the same volume as well. Yeah, I could actually jam to this. All right, I'm gonna stop real quick. Okay. Wow, oh wow, okay. I literally could not hear anything on the outside. I don't know, I apologize if I was talking really loud, but these are mind-blowing. All right, first I'm gonna say, better than every type of Beats out there, better than several different headphones I've ever tried. The ANC on these are actually killer for the price point. And they even kill out like higher end companies, like, I don't want to name any bigger brands, but mainly just Beats. I mean, Beats are horrible, but these just outperform it for way cheaper cost. That's just, and they look nicer. The build quality on these are really good, as you can see. The flexibility, I would not do these to my headphones, but I'm just showing you the flexibility on these are just so good. No creaking, no crackling, nothing like that. The build quality on these are just superb. Just amazing pair of headphones. Now, when you have the noise canceling off, which will drain less battery, of course, but I noticed that there's not as much bass as when you turn it on, when you turn on ANC. Even when you do have ANC, it still doesn't have enough bass for me, but the sound of the voice and the clarity, the highs, mids, lows, they all just like bundle up together so flawlessly. It just sounds really good. Now, I don't have a complaint with at all with these headphones besides the bass. I am a bass lover. I love my bass, so that's the only downside. If you're a bass lover, I don't recommend getting these, but if you want to go like, I don't know, watch a movie or somewhere kind of loud, or definitely get these. The ANC on these are actually really good. They're obviously not the best, not the Sony WH-085s or whatever what the name is. Or they're not comparable to like Bose super high-end $300 headphones, but they are extremely good for the price, $55, and you're getting a very quality pair of headphones. You have 18 months of warranty, so if you need to get them replaced for whatever reason, you can go ahead and contact them about that. They swivel, which not many headphones actually do. They have so much flexibility, and you can adjust it still, so good for those big head people. The ear cuffs are actually really large, and they do expand slightly higher than that. I do have pretty big ears, to be honest, and it fits my ears perfectly. I don't have any issues. I can wear these for hours. So when you're going to the gym, or even at your home working out, doing anything, you're mowing the lawn, just put these on, turn on ANC, no one will bother you. You can't even hear anything. Amazing pair of headphones. Next, I'm going to test out the battery life within the next month, and I'm going to give you a review in a month. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and subscribe to see that video. Turn on post notifications so you get notified when I upload that video. Once again, these are in the description. Best pair of headphones I've tried out the year. If you guys want to see, I'm going to be doing a top 5, and these will definitely be in that video. So if you want to see the video of the top 5 best-selling Amazon headphones with ANC at the same price point, I'll be doing that video in about a month one as well. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching.